I'm Nora from Nora's Kitchen 10B. We've been in the market for nearly 5 years now. We serve authentic Malaysian food, and today I'm going to show you our new product, a range of curry paste to help you to prepare delicious curry in your own kitchen. Now I'm going to be showing you the second range of products that we have. It's authentic Nyonya lime curry. Now Nyonya means the community in Malaysia, the Malays and the Chinese community, so it's just a name. So the reason why I choose is because when I was in Kuala Lumpur, I was invited by a friend who was in Malacca. I was there for a week and I absolutely loved the Nyonya food. It's very tangy, a little bit of limey, but it's not like too limey. Obviously this is medium because I love spicy, but if you don't like spicy, you can always tell me. It can be mild, could be medium, or could be extra spicy. So yeah, let me show you how to make Nyonya lime curry. It's very easy, no chopping onion because it's all in here. All you have to do is the salt and a little bit of coconut milk, and that's it. So first thing first, turn on the heat. You don't have to put oil in. So open the jar. So I'm going to be showing you how to cook for just one person. So basically this 300 grams of jar serves for 4 people. So all you're going to do is use a teaspoon for one person here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But obviously if you want more sauce, you can put more. Yeah, mix it well. So once it simmer, all you have to do is just add in the chicken. Some people, they brown the chicken first, but my way of cooking is you don't have to brown the chicken. You just straight into the curry paste and mix it well. Looks like I have to put a little bit more curry paste. And again, bit by bit of water. In Malaysia we always use the words agak-agak. Agak-agak means it's sort of like guess estimation. So I don't use the recipe, it's all in here, so I just add a bit here and there. But I always use chicken stock from Sainsbury's and a pinch of salt. I'm done. Lid on, cook for less than 20 minutes and done. So when you buy Nora's curry paste, it lasts for 2 months. Once open, use in 3 days and keep it in the fridge. It serves for 4, and some people ask me, can you freeze them? Yes, you can freeze the curry paste, put it in the freezer, it lasts for 6 months. Okay? It's been cooking less than 20 minutes now, and last but not least, just put just 1 teaspoon of coconut milk at the end of the cooking for this lime curry paste. Mix it well. Splash of lemon juice, and then that's done. And this curry you can serve with even normal roti, really. My kids love with the dipping into roti. Also, I forgot to mention that this curry paste is vegan friendly and vegetarian friendly, and it's very natural. There's no MSG added or there's no color added into it. It's really natural and authentic as well. So yeah, serve like this. Obviously you can always add a little bit of water, bit by bit water, but this is how we like it in Malaysia. And always garnish with red chilies. and the lime, shredded lime, coffee lime leaves, and that's it, done.